In this Grasshopper script, we can use this stair generator component to make a parametric stair in Grasshopper. As you can see here, by giving it a polyline, and I can set this to this polyline, I can make a parametric stair. For example, by changing this point, I can get a new stair by using this stair generator. If you open up the example files, you can see that you have three different examples which you can open and use in your project. And there is also an algorithm folder which you can open and take a look at the script to learn it step by step how we did it in Grasshopper by using native Grasshopper components. So if I go to the first Grasshopper example file, you can see that by defining the input, which is a polyline, we can get different results. For example, let's just draw a simple curve in Rhino and then give it into the base curve input. So I'm going to set this and get the final results. There are two ways you can get the stairs: the inside outside input. For example, it's going to go inside, and if you put it to true, it's going to go outside. So if I take a look at from the top, you can see that the stair is an offset from outside the curve, or it's an offset inside the curve. So you can control that also with the true and false. There is also a height which you can control, the height of the overall stair. The width, which is actually offset of the stairs, you can control it here. The step height, which is the height of each of these stairs, and also the thickness, which is going to go for the railings. By controlling the thickness, you can get different results, and also the rail distance is going to give you more of these vertical lines on the railing. You can also control the railing height, and we are good to go to get the final results. So at the outputs, you can see that we have the stairs, which are the closed B-reps. I can right click on them and bake them, and let's go to the shaded mode. And you can see that you can have all of these inside Rhino by baking the stairs outputs. So these are the slabs of each of these stairs. Also the boundary surfaces from the both sides of the stairs is also available if you want to use it in your projects. The next thing that you can bake is the railings. So if I just bake this and put it in another output, you can see that you will have the outputs also. And the last thing is the glass. So if I just bake this into the last layer, I will have that as the glass, and then I can use that to make the final results. So basically this stair generator is really easy to use. We can also give a spiral to the stair. For example, let's just draw a spiral here, and we can use the subcurve tool to extract a part of it. For example, this part as the stair, and now I can give that to the input. So if I just right click and set this and just make this a little bit bigger, you can see that you can have the stair. It's really easy. And as we explained earlier, by true and false, you can put that outside or inside the curve. Remember that you can control the height of the stair and also the widths and the step height also. I hope that this Grasshopper script is useful for you. If you have any questions or recommendation, just put it below this video or on our website, jhscript.com. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.